In a sunlit living room, a confident corgi named Pico hosts DoggoLaughShorts, turning chaos into instant chuckles. A flurry of zoomies scatters toys as Pico barks a triumphant title, while dramatic howls rise like a movie trailer. Next comes a heroic wobble on the sofa, a heroic jump, and a tail wag that seals victory in the living room arena. The plush audience of stuffed friends and a patient cat lean in as Pico delivers jokes about snacks and squeaky toys. As credits roll, Pico winks and promises more outrageous gags tomorrow in the happiest corner of the internet.